Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Missile is problem energy. This one fix will come now you see sun. Missile on Monday face hot in cold. The world of emerger is what with United States over energy policy as its welcome a top UC delegation and President Alex Minolov's overseeing track and the contrary not a written stand up. Lovers arrived when striking before he met with UC officers led by security of state Antonio Blinken visit to Marco the annual circuit. He revolved economy dialogue he led, which but said held as a forward toward developing economic ties. The energy row broke in July, which has UC government the name diffuses remain take Gabriel Lover over there. They are to taken test control of the energy market was referred to UC conference and life rating regular Terdia. The energy compliant with Canada in Finland joined in Friday we guess this first to surface under the United States Missile for Canada Agreement (UCMTA). See the North American trade deal come into effect in 2010, and the alphas include led to improvisation of the health journey in the countertariff against Mexico. Officials said this vote was not central to Monday talk. Tom Michigan Forges Minister Merkel overs everything optimistic that a deal could has out the swine to Professor of the meeting because we know that in Professor of the Yellow and will have then agreement will be turned at some point. Overall announced conference with Birken and the other following the task. Mexican economy Minnesota culture who versus third in Latin America. Number two in the economy and the foreign saying the two government will work toward a fix. Lovers Rade who has made his energy policy a matter of national sovereignty had proposal first the file to United States. So he will defend Mexico's position and the end of the military fight taking place this Friday. There on Monday, he said he will no longer tell about the energy is during his Friday press because you see Fridays during Biden held result to his concern political. They are in the studio and they are study record in rival come national effort lovers rather to all news conference recall and later side recall from Rich. After meeting with the UC official, Lopez Radel said on Twitter, May TVTR to head a protest and friendly meeting with Weekly and the UC Congress Secretary Random Wilkan and the Mexican President spoken about joint efforts to tackle with care by investing in clean energy and also like electric with solar power and the semi-corridor out UC State Department spoken person we price side. The United States, the Mexico also said the world war together and a field project. The reform faster the national and semiconductor manufacturing in food and joint statement later in the day. The two countries, but one of the world largest trading listeners and the official side in the offer to modernize their economies worldwide growth and jobs. UC Conference Secretary Random side the United States and Mexico have in the trend of their calculated supplicants or great vertical for Mexico not just is moving of sneak on the store but also their testing everything and the salads. Sublease and Jerome coincide around with that we start with programs. Right too, and they have a certain term energy security. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.